What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. This is Patreon request from Emmanuel Misaki. Am I saying that right? Misaki from Terminator Zero. Didn't even know this was the thing, Emmanuel, until you messaged me. Gonna watch it. Looks pretty good. Love Terminator anyway. And anime Terminator, two of my favorite things mixed together. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast. This is the best picture I could find of her. So, kind of similar to another female character from Tokyo Ghoul you asked me to draw, actually. Same sort of head position anyway. Very similar hairstyle as well. Anyway, okay. Center point here, we're going to come up over to the right. Like, top of her head's kind of cut off by the top of my page, but we'll fit in as much as I can. Big female eyelashes. Go, go, go. Diagonal. And then down. Bottom, here, then across. That's your general shape. And then you want to thicken up some of these lines and add eyelashes, right? So it's very thick here in the corner. And then they have these sort of spikes at the front. And then eyelashes spiking up here. Okay. And then like a little sort of spike line there. And black. Very big female eyelashes. And her iris, purple iris. Interesting eye color. Right, and then her pupil looks oval to me. Not sure. It's kind of colored strange, so we'll go this way. I think this makes the most sense. Okay, and they add like an extra little eyelash sort of area here in the corner. She looks worried. So her eyebrows kind of like downturned here. So it doesn't go up, it's kind of like down. It's kind of dark gray on the inside. And then eyelid line just comes across there. Other eye, you're about eye width over, right? So maybe like the whole eyelash space. And then you go diagonal again, down there. And then we'll add the bottom. Like so. Thicken up this corner line. Very heavy, spiky line. And then we want to do the same at the front. Bring it over the top. And add these eyelashes. Right, and black inside. And then it has normally a little spike at the front. Right, sort of an ellipse, and then the pupil is kind of like, again, I think like a little oval. Not like a perfect circle. Just like black, sort of like that. Just curve this over a bit more, I think. And again, she's got a worried, downturned eyebrow. And we could be in a bit of a 3/4 pose, so this eyebrow might be a bit longer. But don't worry if you don't get it exact. So her nose then, so coming down from here, just kind of a broken line curving. And then the tip of her nose, down like that. And then the nostril, just there. Her mouth, again, looking real sad. It's like a letter M. And then the top lip, they just draw like that. And then the bottom lip down there. And she has a beauty mark, like a freckle or something up there. Chin then, like so. Proportions of things. Eyebrows to the bottom of the nose, same as bottom nose to chin. Bottom nose to the bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Get her face in. So we can see jaw on this side and cheek on this side, so we are in a 3/4. So we'll just curve it this way. 3/4 pose means face is slightly turned. So say that curves that way, but this one sort of go in, out around her cheek, and then up just to the outside of her sort of eyelashes here. And it kind of disappears around, say like where her hair is, right? So her fringe starts here. And she has spiky fringe coming the whole way across. So no easy way of doing this now, you just gotta add spike, and it covers like some of her eyebrow. And it has, you know, kind of this fringe sort of shape. And then going that way. So then she seems to have long sort of strands of hair that hang down on this side and that side, but we can see a bit of her neck there. So we'll go this way. And then long one hanging down all the way over like her shoulder, sort of down here. And similar over this side, so we go long. Okay, and then the rest comes like out from behind her shoulders. So we'll just get the neck in here, sort of neck muscles. And then her t-shirt just comes along this way. And then we just get the sort of shoulder would go here. And this will be more hair then, just hanging down. Similar on this side, so we got like more hair. And then her shoulder sort of comes down this way. Sorry about that noise. But we're nearly there. So boom, boom. T-shirt lines. Right, and then just the rest of the hair comes up around the back of her head. And this like stops at the top of my page. If you have more room, you just curve this over and then you're good to go. So we're just done though. There's people working on my house and they're doing the driveway. It's very noisy. The Terminator's coming. Okay. What's her name again? Misaki. Definitely going to watch this. Terminator Zero. Nearly said Resident Evil. Forgotten eyelash line. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the support on Patreon, Emmanuel. See you in the next one. Bye.